Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Wilcox here. Happy Friday. I hope that you've had an awesome week. We have a little bit more learning today and then you get to celebrate with the weekend off. And remember, we only have one more week of school left and then you guys are third graders. Yay, that's awesome. All right, I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we have today. Okay, here I am on our Friday page. I got to this page by clicking on the Friday link under step number 1 from our home page. And again, you're going to choose those 3 activities. Of course, you can do more, and if you run out of time, you can do less too, my friends. Remember, make sure that you're trying to work for an hour to an hour and a half each day, but not any longer than that unless you are choosing to do that, okay? All right, for our activities, here we have a check-in with me. And so remember, you are supposed to check in with me 1 time per week to earn a level 3, a 1 thumbs up, which is awesome. So if you haven't already checked in with me on the chat board or emailing or sending a picture or coming to Zoom, try to find a way to do that today. I would love to see you. I've been missing you guys. It's been really a lot different not to be able to see you guys in the classroom. But when I get to see you guys and see what you've been doing, that really helps, okay? So today at 11 a.m. we're going to be doing show and tell. So you can bring something if you would like to show and tell something special, okay? All right, here's our reading activity. And after you read a picture book or a book of your choosing, remember you can always go to Epic or Tumble Books to do the reading as well. Then I would like for you to write a paragraph with 3 to 6 or more sentences telling what was funny or sad about the story, okay? So think about what the story made you feel and then write about those feelings in a paragraph for me. All right, here's another activity I have for you. And this week we've been working on lots of ways that our Earth is changing, and usually those changes happen over a very long portion of time. And so today we have another video about volcanoes. So volcanoes are something that's very prevalent here in Alaska. That means that there are lots of volcanoes, and if we look across the Cook Inlet, that means out over the ocean, we can see lots of those volcanoes, okay? And so I thought it'd be good for us to know a little bit more about them, and then after you listen to that video, then I would like for you to make a list of things that you have learned about our Earth this week, or from that video, and then share that list with your family and have a conversation, a discussion with them about our Earth and about those processes that are happening, okay, including volcanoes. Maybe your family were here living in Alaska the last time that there was an eruption, and so you can ask them about that and ask them kind of what life was like after that volcano erupted across the inlet, okay, friends? All right, here's our math activity, and we are still learning about measuring today, and so we're going to be learning a little bit more about measuring different types of things, okay? So I want you to think and then talk with a family member about why measuring the length of things is important and why we need different tools to measure things. So there's lots and lots of different tools to measure things, especially in length. And so think and then talk with your family members about why we need to measure the length, why is it important for us to know the length of things, and then what different tools we can use to do that measuring, okay? All right, here is our healthy habit video, and today is the last day that we're going to be talking about sleep as our healthy habit. And sometimes our dreams aren't always the most positive dreams or the most happy dreams, and so sometimes we get nightmares. So I found this video about nightmares, and it kind of talks about the science behind why sometimes we don't have very nice and pleasant dreams. And so I want you to think about, after that video, what can you do to prevent nightmares? So there are some things that we can do, some things that we can think about right before we go to sleep, or other things that we can do throughout our day to help make sure that we will have those nice and happy and pleasant dreams, okay? All right, and our last art activity is Free Art Friday. So I was looking through videos and there were so many good things for us to do and to draw, and I just could not choose today. So I thought it would be fun for you guys to get to go and choose your own thing to learn how to draw. So click here and that will take you for Art for Kids Hub. Those are the normal drawing videos that we do on YouTube, and you can choose whatever you would like to draw. There are even some fun ones that the paper kind of folds and then it looks like one thing, and then when it when it unfolds, it looks like something different. So if you'd like to challenge yourself, you can try one of those. There's tons and tons of fun videos for you. Then click here, friends, go to that number 2 and find an extra resource or 2 to do for today. All right, I hope you have had the best week. I know I really enjoyed interacting with you, and I can't wait for next week. It's our last week of school. I'm gonna have some really fun activities for us, so the week will look a little bit different, but I'm really excited for that. We're going to celebrate being third graders because you guys are third graders after next week. You'll be going into third grade after summer vacation, and I'm super excited for you, and I'm really proud of all the hard work you've done. So have a great Friday, my friends. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.